that prior to the liberation of Goa, 1961, Goa's economy was a money order economy because virtually every Goan was working abroad. Every alternate house, there was a seafarer who was working abroad. And I'm very happy that the seafarers community in Goa has played a very immense contribution not only for the economy of Goa, but for the economy of the country. Because they used to remit foreign exchange, which are very precious for the country. During COVID-19, we are very proud that the Goan seafarers has played a yeoman service all over the world. They work hard. Today, what pains me, that even though every alternate house in Goa are seamen, their condition is very bad. Because overall economic meltdown, there is rampant unemployment, and there is hardly any system to give them pension. Today, I request to Honorable Chairman that the Shipping Ministry looks into the matter. They were getting a pension of 200 rupees per month. That also has stopped. It is a shame that these people who have played such a great role in the history of this country are today not having any pension scheme, not having any ex gratia. The 200 rupees ex gratia is also stopped now. So I request that please either enhance this amount or bring an honorable pension scheme so that they and their families can live a life of honor and dignity for having contributed so immensely for the economy of this country.
Thank you, Raji. Sri Rajamani Patel, whoever